Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a photo collage within Canva. Now this is actually very easy and I will show you it step by step in this video. So first of all I want to say this works on desktop as well as mobile. So let's get started. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go to this search bar right here and then type collage. Alright, after you type that, go to photo collage right here. So tap on this and this will show you photo collage templates. Now for this video, I will not select a pro version. A pro template is what, with this little icon right there, with a little crown in the corner. So I will choose, let's say this one, all right? And then I need to tap on customize this template. Tap on this. And what I can do, I can close the sidebar for now. And basically, you can change all of these pictures. I do recommend you to start from a template because this saves you a lot of time. But I will also show you how to create a collage from scratch. All right. So let's just change these pictures. What you need to do is you need to upload your own pictures, of course, or just for this video, I will show you how to use photos from Canva itself. So just select random photos, for example, this photo, and you can move it in this frame. What you can do to resize it is you need to double tap on this picture and this way you can resize it. Let me select this picture, for example, and put it over here. And as you can see here, some text. I can change that as well. For example, subscribe. I can change the color of this. And I can also change the color of the background by tapping on the background and then change the color to bluish, for example. All right, you can become very creative with this. You can add more text, delete photos, change photos, etc., etc. But for now, I will show you how to create a collage from scratch. So just tap on this, add page. Let me make the background white. And again, go to elements and close this. And right here, you need to go to frames. So scroll a bit down until you see this. You can either choose frames or grids. And let me go to grids. And this are basically pre-made photo collage. I do not recommend it to you personally because you cannot really customize it. So I recommend you going to frames and then selecting any frame you would like. So you can choose from paper, flowers, blob, retro, or just basic shapes. And you can just move them into your design like this. You can change them, resize them, rotate them. You can make a collage from with like a laptop mockups. You can change this. Again, you can resize it, etc., etc. What you need to do right now is, again, you can select your own photos or choose photos from Canva, from the Canva library, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So go to photos and just move this image right into this one. Again, resize it a bit, just like this. And this way you can make a collage very easily. Now, of course, this looks very ugly, but it is just for the sake of this video. If you want to change the background, tap on the background, change the color to black, for example. And yeah, this is how it works. To delete this page, press on this one because it looks too ugly in my opinion. But if you want to export this photo collage, that is really easy. First, let's change the name to, for example, photo collage. So let's remove this and then tap on share, then tap on download. And you can either change the file type, for example, JPEG. I can change the size of the JPEG file as well as the quality. So you can change this, and these are both premium features, so keep that in mind. If you want to get started with Canva Premium or Canva Pro, please check out the link in the description down below. So yeah, you always get the best deal. So now you just need to tap on download if you want to download the photo collage. That is really easy. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.